Hey guys, today let's learn how to merge duplicate contacts on your iPhone. So if you guys are wondering how to merge, well, multiple contacts that you have on your iPhone device, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to merge them step by step. So this is going to be pretty easy, guys. All we need to do is to launch our phone application, and then I want you to proceed with going through your contact list. So as you would notice, here is all of my contacts, and I want you to proceed with tapping on the specific contact that you have duplicate of. So let's assume this is the first duplicate that I have. What I want to do from here is a tap on this option to basically merge this contact with another, and in order for us to do that, I'm gonna go ahead and tap on the edit button on the top right section, and I'm gonna go ahead and tap on this option called link contact. So I'm gonna tap on link contacts. Now gonna go and choose the specific person that I want to go and merge with this contact. I'm gonna choose this one right here. Tap on link. Basically be doing that, you have now merged these two contacts together over here, and they are now linked together. Just tap on done once you're done, and it's that easy, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.